Assalamu alaikum. Okay, so today I will discuss continuity, same point, at last lecture. Okay, okay, so let me start from here. Last lecture I discussed this example. Last lecture I discussed this example. Okay, same like this. I will discuss another example today. Now let me start from the example. This example right here. Find the value. Find the value of x, if any. Find the value of x, if any, at which function f is discontinuous, is not continuous, not continuous. This is a question. F(x) equal to 5 by x plus 2x divided by x plus 4. Previous example. Okay. Last lecture I discussed this. Determine for what value of x function f is discontinuous. So function was this and this one. And I will discuss this. A function this, how to check this function is for what value of x this function is discontinuous, not continuous. See the solution. Last lecture what I told you? Last lecture I told you you have to see here. You have to see here denominator. Here x modulo and here x plus 4. Okay. So if denominator 0 at any number, problem at that number. Okay. See this x take this x equal to 0. Okay. And here x plus 4 equal to 0. Okay. This implies what? X plus 4 equal to 0. Here plus 4. X equal to come plus 4 is right side. plus 4, right side minus 4. So this will be x equal to minus 4. Okay. So this function is not defined at x equal to 0. This function is not defined at this point, x equal to 0. But if this one 0, then this will be 5 by 0, undefined. So at this point, at x equal to 0, it is undefined, not defined. Okay? It means what? It means x is 0 maafi maujood in the domain of this function. And this one here, if x equal to minus 4, then this here, x is minus 4, then here, denominator will be 0. Okay? Denominator 0 in, it means this function is not defined. This function is not defined at this point, minus 4. Okay? It means minus 4 is maafi maujood. Minus 4 is not in the domain of this function. Okay? So these 2 points are problem. These 2 points are making problem here. So this function is not defined at this number 0 and at this number minus 4. So it means this function is discontinuous at 0 and at minus 4. So here this function fx is not continuous, at x equal to this minus 4 and x equal to 0. This function is not continuous at x equal to minus 4 and x equal to 0. Right? Any problem here? Same like last lecture. Same like this question. Same like this question. Here too. Divided by x plus x minus 1 divided by x square minus 1. Okay. Same like last question. No problem. Okay. Now come to the next question. Example. Find the value of the constant k if possible. That will make make the function continuous. Make the function continuous everywhere. Function is this here. I take function this x equal to this one kx square. Here x less than or equal to 2 and 2x plus k. Here x greater than 2. Okay. You have to find the value of this constant k. You have to find for which value of this constant k this function will be continuous everywhere. Continuous everywhere. So here put the condition of continuity, you will get the value of k. This is same like last lecture. Same like last lecture. Okay. Last lecture I discussed this one. The question. One question I discussed last lecture. Same like this. See the solution. The solution here. Okay. You have to check at this point. 2. Okay. So this function fx is continuous at x equal to 2 if this function is continuous at x equal to 2 if three conditions are satisfied. Three conditions are satisfied. Three conditions. What are the conditions? At 2. First condition, you have to check at this number 2. X is AVI 2. Here, C is AVI 2. Okay. Number 1 condition is f of 2. Number 1 condition is f of 2. You have to check this. Okay. So f of 2. It means what? Here x is AVI 2. See this. X is AVI 2. So see the function. Where is Isavi? Isavi मौजूद here. Here Isavi मौजूद. आधा. X Isavi 2. Here X Isavi 2 और this domain function हिना मौजूद. Fx Isavi आधा. Function this मौजूद. Okay. Here मौजूद. K X तरबिया. X तरबिया यानी 2. Right here तरबिया. This equal to 2 तरबिया यानी 4. 4 and darb K. 4K. This is 4K. Right? Is equal to 4K. Okay. Now, what is condition number 2? Condition number 2 is limit. Limit Lazim exists. Let me write here the conditions, and you will understand clearly. Okay, let me write condition. Function continuous at x equal to 2. When continuous at x equal to 2, number 1 condition is this. F of 2 is defined. It's number 1. And number 2, limit x goes to 2, fx Lazim exists. Other condition number 2. And condition number 3 is condition limit x goes to 2, fx is Lazim is equal to f2. Other condition for continuity at this number 2. Okay. So you have to find this f2. Now find this limit. Okay. Find this limit. When this limit exists when left hand limit and right hand limit equal to left hand limit and right hand limit same. Then this limit exists. Limit x goes to 2 fx exists if left hand limit and right hand limit at number 2 is same. Okay. So here first you have to find the left hand limit. Why I will find left hand limit? because your function defined in two pieces. Okay, one for this domain x less than 2, and here x greater than 2. Two functions here. First define left hand limit. Left hand limit limit x goes to 2 minus fx is equal to what? Limit x goes to 2 minus. So what is the meaning of limit x goes to minus? It means what? X less than 2. This means x less than 2. Okay. And when this x less than 2, what is function? So less than 2 here मौजूद. X less than 2 here. And function आधा x square. This is the function. Here x square. Right? Here x square. Okay. And this x goes to 2. This means what? A observe 2 square, and this equal to 4k. This is 4k. Okay. Now what? Now find the right limit. Right hand limit equal to limit x goes to 2 plus f of x is equal to what? Limit x goes to 2 plus. What is the meaning of this? Limit x goes to 2 plus. It means what? X akbar min 2. X greater than 2. And what is function? X greater than 2. And what is function? Function is this. And x greater than 2. And function this 2x plus k. Here 2x plus k. Function is this 2x plus k. This is the function 2x plus k. Is equal to what? Is equal to x goes to 2. Yani here 2 multiply 2n plus k. Right? And this equal to 4 plus k. 4 plus k here. 4 plus k. Right? 4 plus k. Okay. Okay. Here x greater than 2 yani x greater than 2 yani this function greater than 2 x greater than 2 आधा greater than 2 yani this function is the function here मौजूद 2x plus k आधा function in this function. Right hand limit this 4 plus k and left hand limit this 4k. Okay. When limit exists when left hand limit and right hand limit same. Condition number 2 means what? Limit exists and left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. Okay. Left hand limit is 4k. This equal to right hand limit is 4k. 4 plus k. Okay. Right hand limit is this 4 plus k. Right. Now solve this. Here 4k and this k. This k take left side. This will be minus k. Here left side. This equal to 4. This will be 3k equal to 3k. 4k minus 1k. 3k is equal to 4. Okay. So here divide 3k divided by 3 is equal to 4 by 3. This cancel. Implies come. This implies k equal to 4 by 3. K equal to 4 by 3. So here k equal to 4 by 3. Right. From here k equal to 4 by 3. Okay. This is the value of k equal to 4 by 3. Okay. Limit exists when k equal to 4 by 3. Right? Okay. K equal to 4 by. Okay, so you understand this? This function will be, this is the value of k. Uh, it should be minus 4. Amma the Hasan. 4 to the other side, it should be minus 4. Here, look here. Here मौजूद 4k. Take this k take this left hand side. Take this left hand side. Take this left hand side. This will be here. This k left hand side. This will be minus k. This minus k. Okay or not? 4k and minus 1k. This will be 3k equal to 4. K equal to 4 by 3. K equal to 4 by 3. Right? Okay. Now, this here. One more question. Let me solve here. Let me solve this. Okay. One more question. See this example. For what value of x is there discontinuity? For what value of x is there a discontinuity in the graph of this function? You have to check for which value of x this function is discontinuous. Function is this x square minus 9 divided by x square minus 5x and plus 6. You have to check here for which value of x this function is discontinuous. Lastly, I told you, and today also I have solved one question. For the discontinuity, you have to check here denominator. This must not be 0 denominator. If at any number this denominator is 0, at that number function is not defined. The function is discontinuous at that number. So how to find that number? Take this x square minus 5x 9 plus 6 is equal to 0. This 0. Okay. How to find that number? How to find that number? You will find this way. Here, factor this x, here x, this equal to 0, right? How to factor this? See this rule. This way you will factor. Here modulo plus 6. Write plus 6 here. Okay. Here modulo minus 5. Write minus 5 here. Okay. Now break this in two numbers. How to break? Break this 6, break this 6 in two numbers. So you can write this way. Minus 2 curve. Minus 2 multiply minus 3. It's minus 2 multiply minus 3. How much? This is 6. Okay. And minus 2 plus minus 3. This will be minus 5. This one. Okay. So if you take minus 6, if you take this one, if you take this, here 6 and here minus 5. Right? If you take minus 6 and 1 here, minus 6 minus 6 multiply 1, come, minus 6 and multiply 1, minus 6 curve 1, minus 6 curve 1 will be minus 6, maafi 6, 6 mojab, this no, I, if you take this minus 6 multiply 1, minus 6 curve 1 come, this will be minus 6, maafi hada mojab 6. Lazim this 6. If you take minus 2 and multiply minus 3, this will be plus 6, positive 6. Okay. And minus 2 Jamma, -2 jamma -3 come, -5 this one. It means these two numbers are okay. -2 and -3 okay. Here write -2, here write -3. Okay. This means x -2 equal to 0 or x -3 equal to 0. So from where? From here -2 मौजूद is equal to 2 or here -3 right side. So this will be +3, -3. Okay. So for these two numbers, x equal to 2 and x equal to 3, this function is not defined. It means x = 2 and x = 3 माफी मौजूद in the domain of this function. But these two numbers, this function is not defined. It means this function is discontinuous at these two numbers. Okay. Why? Because if you take x equal to 2, then here denominator will be 0. Denominator 0, muskila, not defined. So this function is discontinuous this function is discontinuous at x equal to 2 and x equal to 3. Right? Discontinuous at these two numbers. Discontinue. Because this means what? This function you can write x square minus 5x minus 3. This means what? Here you can write x square minus 9. Here this means x minus 2 serve x minus 3. Okay. So if you take x equal to 2, if you take x equal to 2, in a x is 2, this will be 2 minus 2 0. If you take x equal to 3, x equal to 3, so here 3 minus 3 0. Problem. That problem. So at these two numbers, x equal to 2 and x equal to 3, this function is not defined. Okay. Not defined yani at these two numbers this function is not defined. It means first condition, awal condition of continuity. Okay, so discontinuous at these two numbers. Right? Now come to here. See this one. After that, see this definition. See the definition here. At this point, limits at infinity. Horizontal asymptotes. See this definition. Limits at infinity. Limits at infinity. The definition. This definition. Let f be a function defined on some interval infinity, then this limit x goes to infinity. This means this one limit x goes to infinity f of x. Get x goes to infinity f of x equal to L. This number L. Okay. It means when x is large, then function fx is close to L. Okay. This means what? See this. This is output. When x kareeb, this is what is the meaning of this? When x kareeb infinity, when x करीब infinity, then this function fx is this one, fx करीब L. What is the meaning? See this Rasam Bayani here. When function other L, y equal to L, this y equal to L yani this line. This distance is L. From here to here, this is L, yani y equal to L, this line. This is y equal to L, yani this y equal to L. Okay, and this x goes to this Mojab infinity, plus infinity, yani when x goes to this way, Mojab infinity, and this function fx करीब this number, see fx करीब this number, and what is this? What is this line? This line is L, y equal to L, this one here. When this is the meaning, when x goes to infinity and this function goes to this number L. See this function, this Rasam Bayani, going this, करीब this line, yani this y equal to L. Okay, when this x going to this way, right? This is the meaning. So if this, then here and see this definition. Same way, limit this. X goes to minus infinity. X goes to minus infinity. It means what? Then this fx goes to L. This one. Again, this function fx yani y. Fx yani y. Output this L. L yani this L yani this one, from here to here L. Okay, so this is y is L, other this line, this L, y is L. And here function goes to minus infinity, x goes to minus infinity yani this function going to this here. See this function going to this way, minus infinity. Here, sorry, this x input is x going to minus infinity, yani this x going to minus infinity, and fx yani function y, function fx yani this Rasam Bayani, करीब this, करीब this one, going this way, करीब this, equal to this line L. So if this situation, see this definition. Here, the line y equal to L is called horizontal asymptote. Horizontal asymptote of the curve y equal to fx. If either this limit x goes to infinity is equal to L, or limit x goes to minus infinity is equal to L, this number, yani y equal to L. This is called, if this one, this means what? Limit x goes to plus infinity or minus infinity. If this function going to this number L, is L, and this is what is L? L means y, is y equal to L. Okay, and this L, this y is L, this one, this L y is L is called horizontal asymptote. This is called horizontal asymptote. This one, horizontal asymptote. This one, y is L, yani this. Here, y equal to L, yani this line, आधा खत, y is L, आधा खत. Here x going to मोजब infinity, and this function करीब this line, this line. Okay, so this खत y equal to L, yani this. And here y equal to L here, and here function x going to minus infinity, and this function करीब this line, y equal to L. Get this, y equal to L. This y equal to L is called horizontal asymptote. Just remember. You just remember here the meaning. This means what? This limit x goes to plus or minus infinity. Okay, if this x goes to plus or minus infinity, and if this function goes to this L means what? This L means this y. L means y. Okay, and this one is called y equal to L is called horizontal asymptote. Horizontal asymptote. Horizontal asymptote yani horizontal khat. Okay, I have shown in the graph. Okay, you have seen in the graph y equal to L. Right. Today I will stop here. Do you have any question? Just remember this definition. Whenever you see this limit, this one, limit x goes to mosav infinity or Salib infinity, and if this function goes to this number L, this number L is called, this number L means this y is L, and this is called horizontal asymptote. Let me write here one small example. See this limit. This limit x goes to, here x goes to mosav infinity, and here wahid ala x. This is 0. Okay. Now see this condition. X here mosav infinity, and this function goes to here L. Here L is what? Here L is what? Here is this 0. This 0 means here y. Y is always 0. This y is always 0 is, y is always 0 is horizontal asymptote. Horizontal asymptote. Right? Today I will stop here. Any question? Next lecture I will solve more question on this. Limit x goes to plus infinity or minus infinity fx. Okay, so today I will stop here.